everyone, it's Davita with WTI. If you love baking but you live in a high altitude, you know that can be pretty tricky. So then this book is definitely for you. I was gifted this book, Pie in the Sky, when I moved to a city with very high altitude. And honestly, this was such the perfect gift. My favorite thing about this book is that all of the recipes in here have been tested at every single altitude. So sea level, 3,000 feet, 5,000, 7,000, and 10,000 feet. So you're pretty much guaranteed that the recipe will come out good as long as you follow the directions. There's a lot of really great and cute stories in here of baking certain recipes at different cities with different altitudes. I love that the instructions are simple and easy to follow. It's a really fun and easy read, and the illustrations with the pictures are super beautiful and vibrant. I love the blueberry muffin recipe in here. In fact, this whole book is really marked up with all of my notes, and I've underlined many things that I want to remember. A few things that I have taken from this book are sometimes you just need to adjust the temperature in your oven slightly. I mostly bake with the oven rack in the middle, and sometimes adjust the amount of fats that are going into your recipe. Overall, I'm super happy with this book, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.